So Olsa Tools sent me over some their gearless ratchets, and I'm gonna check them out. These things are tiny, but I love them. If you notice, they're marked R and L. Loosen and tighten, pretty much is how I look at it. Righty, lefty. And all you gotta do to switch sides is just click it in. Click it back and forth. And I gotta get in here and change out a horn on my motorcycle, and it takes a 10 mil, and it would be pretty perfect to get in here and use it. We'll use the big 3/8 to demonstrate. We'll grab one of my 10 millimeters with my logo on it. So if you just remember, you got the L facing up, you're going to loosen. You got the R facing up, you're going to tighten. There's barely any room in here to get it turned. Like, perfect, because you really can't swing that much. But it's getting it. I love these things. You barely have to turn it to get any swing on it. Barely. And it will bite. I suggest picking some up at olsatools.com. And if you want a little money off, use code ATMike.